Guys, in this video I will show you how you can replace the windscreen wiper for your Honda Accord 2007. So this is the 2007 Honda Accord. I think it's also work between 2003 to 2007, so it doesn't matter, the concept is very similar. So this is my replacement parts right here. So this brand new, costs around 40 Australian dollars. If you're in the US, probably be cheaper. So that's the replacement part. You have to get the whole thing, so you can't just get the rubber piece only. It has to be the whole assembly like that. Okay, now we're going to take out the two blade, passenger side and driver side and passenger side. Okay, on the driver side you can see there is a blade. We need to take it up. So just pull it up, and then in here I show you there is a clip right here. So it's very easy, so you just have to push this clip right down. You can see whether there is a clip, and then push it down like this, and once you push it down we can pull out like that with one hand. You can see I can even do it with one hand, so it's very easy. Now I'm just going to put it back in to show it to you again. So now it's locked in place, as you can see, and what you want to do is pull down that clip and pull, and it come out like that. Okay, with the replacement part, now we want to line it up, and we need to put this metal piece inside this hole here. So again, I'm going to do it slowly so you can see. And you can see I'll push it in, and then we need to slide up. Okay, so push up, make sure it's locked into place. So you want to move it up and down, make sure it is locked into place, and that's good. Now we can put it down. So okay, now we go to the passenger side. Now if you're in the US, then the passenger side is the driver side is on this side and passenger side is on that side. So I'm in Australia, so it's opposite, but the concept is the same. I'm going to lift this one up right here, and then we need to again, there is a small clip right here. We need to pull down and then drag it out. So we need to find it right here. You can see this clip right there. We need to pull down and drag out this way. So it's easy if you got two hands, one to hold the clip down and the other to pull out. Okay, so here it is, and it's come out. And once it's come out, we can put in the replacement part. So line it up like so, and then pull up, and that's it. Make sure you wiggle around, push it up and down, make sure it is locked into place. Once it is locked into place, then it's all good. So there it is. So that's completed. So it's nice and easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.